Namaste everyone and welcome to Data Millennials.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our Excel series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge and center two or more than two cells in Excel. So when you're creating dashboards or you're trying to show something as bold or as a header in Excel cell, you need to merge and center it. So basically what happens is that whenever you want to combine two or more than two cells, it's known as merge, right? So for example, if I want to merge these three cells, how can I do it? Is there a way that I can merge it and show it as a single cell? Excel has this functionality of merging multiple cells. For example, if I want to merge these cells, this range into a single cell, I can do it. But one of the major thing that nobody will tell you is that what would be the address of that cell. So see, every single cell in Excel has an address which appears under this name box, right? So this is the address. If I go from top to bottom, this is O, column O, and from top to bottom for rows it's 3, right? So O3. Now the name appears as O3 in name box. But what will happen if I merge this entire range? What would be the name of this range? So when we merge a cell, the name will always be the first cell's address. So address or the name is same thing. Now if I'm merging this cell, for example, right now I'm merging this cell. So how can I do that? To merge two or more than two cells, what you need to do is that you need to go to home, then click on merge and center, and now you see this entire range has been merged into a single cell. And how you can figure it out? Currently you see this white patch here, right? Now if I put borders here, you will see that it appears as a single cell. It is appearing as a single cell, right? Now what is the address or the name of this cell? If I click on this cell N2, you will get the name under this name box as N2 and the cell address is N2. If I click on this merged cell, right, from O3 till S11, the name appears as O3. So whenever you merge a cell or multiple cells into a single cell, the address will always be the first cell from which merging has been started. So that's how we merge cells. Now for example, I'll undo it. Now for example, if you want to show formula in two cells, right, or if you want to show the sum of something, then how can you do it? So I'll do one thing. I'll put here sum value of, or I'll do one thing. I'll put max value of HP, right, and minimum value of HP, minimum value of HP. Now what I need to do is that I need to merge these two cells so that I can show this maximum value of HP text in a better way. So I'll select these two cells, then I'll click on home, then I'll go to merge and center, and it will be merged in center. Same I'll do it with minimum value of HP. So I'll go to home and then merge and center, right? Now that's how we merge cells. Another thing is that whatever you can do in cells with regards to formatting, you can apply it here. You can apply the borders, you can apply your like text, whether you want it in center, left or right, top or bottom. You can do it using this center, or under this home tab you can use these buttons to adjust your text or align your text basically. So that is where merge and center is very helpful when you want to show something as a header. So let me know if you guys have any questions regarding merge and center in the comment box.
Hey, if you find this video insightful, then do check out other videos and hit the like and subscribe button.